Hello everybody, today we are making these cool little hearts. It's a good thing to give out to your friends or your classmates. You can stick like a little lollipop and some other crafts if you want in here. It's really fun. So this is just a little example of what we're making. Put this right here. So for this, we will need a piece of paper. It doesn't have to be construction paper. You could use printing paper. Or you could, but I recommend this construction paper because it makes it all colorful. So you take one corner of it and you fold it like you're making a square out of a rectangle. So you fold it like this, then you can open it, then you fold it the same way but the other direction, like a square out of a rectangle, but the other direction. Then you can open that up also. So then the two, I don't know if you can see, but the two triangles right here, there's supposed to be two triangles right here. So you fold them up and then you can push it down to the bottom triangle. And then hold your two fingers right here and then push it down. Push the top triangle down. Then you just crease it right here. So then, after this, you take one little corner here. There should be two little corners here, and this one, and this one. So then, you take one little corner, one little flat corner, and you put it to your little, top tip. So then you do the same with the other corner. And then crease it. So, and then after this, you take, it's like a little house. So you take the corner of this wall and then the roof wall, and you take that corner and put it in the bottom tip of our little diamond. So you take that corner and put it inside, and then you can crease it. Do the same with the other side. Take that corner and put it to the diamond corner on the bottom. Crease it. After you're done with this, you take the bottom and you fold it in. So then you leave two little triangles here. I'm not sure if you can see. Here and here. And you can crease it right here. So then, after this, you can flip it over. Well, first you stay like this. And then you can try and make like just a little, like you fold it in half this way, but not all the way. Just a little bit so you can see the little line in the back. Then after that, you flip it over, and then you see the little line, you make a little triangle over here. You fold these two corners into here and onto the line like you're making an airplane. The same with the other side. And then you can fold it out again. Then you should have two layers here. These two, and then this little layer. So then you take this top layer and you fold it. You can't fold it like this or else these two will come with it. So you fold it as much as it can go, because the place that these two meet stops it from going anymore. So you make it like this. So you crease it so it stops at where it can't go anymore. So then take it up, and then you can put it back. Well, you can keep it there. Then you take these two little triangles you made and stick it. There's supposed to be little holes here. And then you can stick one triangle into a hole, and then the other triangle into the other one. So it's like this. And then you take these two little things. So then at the front you can see there's a little pocket right here. So then you flip it over, and then you try and make the little top bits. You can see back here, I creased. I made it, like, shape it diagonally, like this. So it would be like it would look like this is it. So you make it, you fold it diagonally, so it looks like the little top bits of the heart. And then you do it on both sides. And then you take the little tips of it. Some of it should be sticking out from this little triangle also. It's like a triangle world. So then you take this little triangles, and then you fold it, and like where this little bit's folded in, you fold this in the same place, and you can crease it. Do the same with the other side. The little pocket that this is in will also fold this in, crease it, just like that. Then you can flip it over again, and then you there you have it. It's like, you can add, like, as I said before, you can add like a little lollipop or other cute other things, crafts, or anything you just want to put in. It's nice. And this is just what I wanted to make you. You can make lots and lots. So, see you next time. Bye-bye.